Kas istu Eesti all või? Mitte president, vaid isegi ai, seal vaata, ma istu.
Great place.
Huomenta. Ja onnea matkaa.
Ja, kiitos.
Yeah, it's okay to get a photo of a video moment. I think at the end of the meeting today, fine.
Basically spending the money that the new government would like to spend.
Well, from us.
Here we are.
We're going to have the Euro here.
A mini Europe.
Euro, in advance.
But we can, Thomas, we can tell you that with all the right. It's much easier for you as the chair.
Yeah, okay. But he's totally fine with doing it. Yeah.
Yes. The German selection is in 2 weeks and we are in 4 weeks, and then is the Czech Republic the next.
In October, yes.
October 21, 22. Because I was in Prague and I met the finance minister also there.
Open the criminal.
Yes, I know. It was on the same. It was on this day when I was in Prague. There was the parliamentarian.
Yes. So this is very awful, very complicated. But you know, it's pity you know that.
We met sometimes.
Ja, wir haben in der Situation noch nicht so den Druck, wie klar ist der Büro, oder?
You can see it.
Take your seats, and if you have no seat, you may leave the meeting room.
Sorry.
No worries.
Okay, if the press could leave, then we can make a start. Thank you.